Right guys, quick unboxing here. Got my wee camera woman out helping me. So yeah, I've got First Fix Nail Gun, and it's really to help me fit a lot of buttons. I think it would be better to just nail it on than it would be to screw it. It'll also help do other jobs around this house and later on. So Erbauer, I think I'm saying it right. But let me just get into it here without knocking it all over. Right, I'm going to go to the ground here so I don't drop it here. It's actually quite heavy, guys. Sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes it's not a good thing. So let's see. What is that? That is a lot of destructions, but it just looks like it's pretty much ready to go. Straight out of the box. That is a big nifty, handy big gun. So yeah, I'll get a battery into this shortly, and maybe a couple of pins. I'll have a wee quick look at the menu because I've never actually fired healthy guns and stuff, but I've never really shot one of these ones in particular. So I'm gonna go and get my Evolution battery in this bad boy and see how we get on. I'll maybe nail a few bits of wood together. So just seen something else there, guys, in the packet, and it's a wee packet of nails, which is funny because I just put some nails in it anyway, but which are the exact same nails. But yeah, just got it in. There's some lights. There's like a wee power button. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that, camera woman? Not really.
Not really.
So there's lights in there. See the blue?
Oh yeah.
So there's lights and stuff in there, guys. One's a power, and then there's like settings, like multi-nail, single nail. I'm not sure what the other one is, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna go here, nail some timber together, just to see. So I imagine I just push down and click. It just clicked, so I don't know if that's a misfire. Let me see. Try it. Try it again. Oh! So, I don't know why I clicked the first time, but there you go, guys. That's it. Alright, nailed. Do one more. So there's some smack offer. You'd think there was gas in it, actually. But, yeah, me and this nail gun here, we're gonna be friends. We're gonna be good friends on this build, because I have a lot of buttons to take on. The only thing is, this is heavy, like, change the arm. Not as heavy, that arm's been sore from plastering all week. But yeah, that has some power, guys, already. Let's just do one more, just for the end. So listen to this, guys. You hear that? That's some pop. So there we go, guys. So far so good. Can't wait to get it used and putting these buttons on, and no doubt I'll show you more on this nail gun when I get to it. Oh!
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to Plastering.